winter brings colds and chesty coughs, and today I would like to teach you a method called the active cycle breathing to help clear the secretions from your chest. So first of all, I'd like you to be sitting in a nice, relaxed, seated position and placing your hands on your tummy. What we're aiming for is some nice, relaxed, diaphragmatic breathing. So as you breathe in, you feel your tummy expand, and as you breathe out, it goes back in again. Your shoulders are nice and relaxed. So again, as you breathe in, your hands, your tummy expands. So once you've mastered that, then we go back to that throughout the whole of the active cycle of breathing. Now I'd like you to take a nice deep breath in. What I'm aiming for is for maximum expansion. So I want you to take a deep breath in, hold the air in, and then sniff more air in on top. So a nice deep breath in, hold, and sniff more on top, and out. We're going to do that 3 times. So again, a nice deep breath in, hold, sniff extra on top, hold, see if you can sniff some more in, and out. And we'll just do one more for demonstration. So a deep breath in, hold, sniff more in, hold, and sniff an extra top up. Well done. And out. Okay. Go back to that nice relaxed diaphragmatic breathing now. And just let your airways relax again. So that nice tummy breathing. Okay, and next we want is a nice, what's called a low volume huff. What this does is move the secretions from the outside of your lungs up slightly further in. So we're moving it up for easily clearing. So that's an ordinary size breath in and huffing out as though you're going to mist up a mirror for as long as possible. So it's not more normal size breath and a and go back to relaxed breathing. Repeat that again. So normal breath in and a and relax. You can do that up to 3 times. More relaxed tummy breathing. And then a nice deep volume huff, which should clear that secretions up much higher, ready for coughing. So it's big deep breath in and a short sharp huff out this time. If you use a peak flow meter, similar to that is great. So a big breath in and a huff out. And one more, big breath in and huff out. And relax the airways. And then should you feel like you've got secretions ready to cough up, try a nice deep breath in and a strong cough out. Okay, let's hope that helps clear your chest.